Hi, I'm Katie with the Frain Group. Today we're demonstrating a fully integrated bottle filling line. Lines like these are capable of running many different products and a wide variety of container sizes, such as the ones you see here. Today we'll be filling 32 ounces of cleaning product into this container at a rate of 1,800 shipping cases per single shift. The empty containers are loaded onto a conveyor at the beginning of the line. They then feed into a 10-head overflow filler. Trigger sprays are then manually inserted into the containers. The filled containers then go into a 6-spindle retorquer. A front and back label is then applied to the container. A lot and date code is then added as well. The containers then enter a case erector, pack-off station, and case sealer.